We got a little bit of explosives. We are going to be shooting this ammo at the helmet. Which one will win? I have my bets on the 22. Personally, it can take down an elephant. Honestly, a 9mm can rip the organs out of a torso. I think Joe Biden said that.
A 9mm bullet blows the lung out of the body.
Trick shot this. Oh, there you go. Oh. Oy. That that's a finger-sized hole right there. And that's some of the pellets there. Well, oh, there's pellets in here. Listen to it. There's pellets in there. Well, thanks for I don't know why you would watch this, but thanks for sticking around if you lasted to the end of the video. And wow, I'm still recording on that. Amazing. Yeah, I have nothing else to say.